Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Love. Today I had the pleasure of visiting and plucking kokum, dried kokum. It is known as Grandma's Cure to Acidity. It primarily grows in Western Ghats, especially in Goa and Konkan region. It's a small fruit like cherry tomato, which is red in color. The sun-dried version is called amsul, kokum or kokum. It is used mainly in Maharashtra, Konkan and in Gujarati cuisine. When added to food, it imparts a pink to purple color and sweet sour taste. It is preferred as a substitute for tamarind in curries and other dishes. Now, if you are going to the grocery store, let me tell you how to select kokum. Kokum is usually available as dried rind or fruit. So if you are going to a grocery store, look for a deep color. Deeper the color, better the kokum. Smell it slightly if possible. Okay. Now, let me tell you where kokum can be used. In culinary uses. So first, kokum is used in Gujarati dal recipes for balancing sweet and sour taste. For exciting flavors, kokum khadi, for homely flavors, tanginess, etc. Kokum sharbat is very popular in southern India. Nothing can beat its taste. Kokum is mainly used in Maharashtra and in Konkan belt. It is a substitute for imli. Maharashtrian dal is cooked usually with the traditional tempering with the tangy kokum. Next, how to store and use kokum. Dried kokum, you can keep it in a airtight container for about an year. Now finally, in my video you are seeing I had the pleasure of collecting one sack full of kokum from one of the trees around my house. You see how fresh it is, and for my northern subscribers, you can see how kokum grows in Konkan region. Now 6 super benefits of kokum. So first one, kokum is a cure to acidity. It's a gift to mankind. In this super fast world, we all suffer from acidity because of our fast lifestyle. So kokum sharbat with little sugar and with little black salt can bring down your acidity. Next, kokum is a good digestive agent, good for digestive health. The extracts of the kokum in juice form relieve gastric problems. Those who have gut level problems, they can use the kokum. Next, kokum, a powerful antioxidant. It possesses ability to fight damaging effect of free radicals. So it can fight illnesses like cancer, diabetes, heart disease. So it's a powerful antioxidant. Next, kokum can be used for cracked heels. Those who have cracked heels, ancient Ayurveda says kokum in combination with butter or oil is used to cure cracked heels, skin rashes, blisters. So kokum is quite famous in Konkan region, and it is also used in cosmetic like skin lotions, soaps, balms, etc. Kokum to beat body heat. If you feel excessive body heat, kokum juice is an immense thirst quencher which has cooling effect on the body. Drink a glass of kokum juice to beat scorching heat of summer. Kokum is for a healthy heart. A compound found in kokum is known to reduce cholesterol levels and suppress your appetite, thus working towards controlling your obesity and maintain a healthy heart. However, the qualities which we showcase are yet to be researched. Now, benefits of kokum: you can make sharbat. You can see a lot of sharbat recipes. I'll be coming up with the kokum sharbat recipe in my subsequent video. Kokum is very good to quench thirst during scorching summer. Kokum juice an excellent remedy. Now, always take medical practitioners' assistance before you consume any product, Ayurvedic product. So thank you for watching my channel. Keep subscribing. If you are not subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon, subscribe. Thank you.